Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to screenshot just a selected area of your screen on Windows. This is way better than capturing your entire screen, especially when you only need a specific part. Let's dive in. Alright, so Windows has this built-in feature called the snipping tool that lets you capture any portion of your screen. It's super handy and most people don't even know it exists. Here's the thing. Instead of searching for the app, just press the Windows key, Shift key, and S key all at the same time. This will activate the snipping tool instantly, and your screen will dim slightly. Now your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Just click and drag your mouse to select the exact area you want to screenshot. You can make it as big or small as you need. Once you let go of the mouse, Windows will automatically copy that selection to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere using Control and V, like in an email, Word document, or chat. And here's a bonus tip. Windows also saves these screenshots automatically to your Pictures folder under Screenshots, so you can always go back and find them later if you need them. And that's it. Super easy way to take precise screenshots on Windows. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.